Hello everyone, welcome back to another new tutorial here, and in today's tutorial we are going to talk about on customizing Discord tags when having Nitro. Now this video is really helpful for you if you are new to Discord or if you have been using Discord for a long time and you haven't really, played around with tags yet. So basically it's for everyone and you are going to learn a thing or two from here for sure. So stay tuned with me within the video. But before I move on, just a quick introduction to myself. If you are new to this channel and you don't know what is this channel about, then I make videos regarding to Discord, tips, tricks, and tutorials from the very basic level to advanced level. So if you are new to Discord or if you have been using Discord for a long time, this is the right place for you to learn a lot of new things, a lot of new tips, tricks, and tutorials from the very basic level to advanced level. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification because you don't really want to miss my upcoming videos. So yeah, now let's move on. So before we just go into on how to change your Discord tag and so forth, let me give you a quick introduction or a quick guide on what exactly is tag. So basically when you create your account on your Discord, you choose your username. Now that is not actually a complete username. You do have a username here, but after your username, there is something called tags. Now these are tags, they are consisted of 4-digit numbers. And once you have 4-digit numbers, which are randomly generated from Discord when you create your account, and these tag numbers plus the username actually makes it a complete username. So that means if you want to send a friend request to someone, you need to have their username plus the tag numbers. Or if you want someone to add you, you need to send them this complete username plus tag. So what we're going to learn here today is once you have a Discord Nitro subscription, you can actually change these tag numbers within your account. So that's what we're going to talk about. But before we move on, you need to know there are several limitations within Discord when changing your tags. Or there are, let's just say, some information that you need to know before changing your Discord tags, and you need to be aware of them. So the first point here is that you need to know that your username plus tag is actually a unique username. So that basically means no matter whoever on Discord is called Alec, there may be a lot of people called by the name Alec, but your tag number here is what makes you unique. So your username plus your tag is what keeps your account having a unique username. No one else within Discord has this username except you. So that's one of the first points you need to know, that your username plus tag is a unique name which no one else has within Discord. Now, the second thing you need to know here is that the tags here are actually a 4-digit numbers, and they start from 0001 and end with 9999. So what that means here is that you can't really have a tag with 5 digits or 3 digits within your Discord account. Like, you can't really have that kind of username. It has to be 4 digits uniquely. Now, the second thing here is that the tag numbers here are actually a 4-digit numbers, and they start from 0001 and end with 9999. What basically means here is that you can't really have a 5-digit tags or a 3-digit tags on your account. And whenever you're trying to change your tag numbers here, they start from 0001 to 9999. You can just change your numbers between these, limitation that is given to you. So that's one of the second thing you need to know. Now, the third thing you need to know here is that as long you're having a Discord Nitro subscription, you can change your tag into anything you want. But once your Discord Nitro subscription ends, Discord is randomly generate a new tag for you, which will be set to your username account automatically until you buy a new Discord Nitro subscription and change the tag again. So what this basically means here is that once you plan to change your tag numbers and the Discord Nitro subscription ends, your tag will never stay the same as it was previously. Neither the one that you changed during your Nitro subscription, nor you will get the previous one, which is the one you were having before Nitro subscription. So it's totally a new randomly generated Discord tag. One of the last things you need to know here is that there is a rate limit on how many times you can change your username or your tag number. Now let's just say you've been trying to change your tag numbers or your username many times and then you hit a rate limit error. You don't really have to worry about that. You can just try after an hour again and then you can change your Discord username or tag again into whatever you want. So these are the points that you need to know when changing your tag numbers, because most of the people, they just go and they change it. Some people are not really even aware of these informations, especially the the rate limit. People don't really know until they actually hit the rate limit. So you should know this earlier, which is why next time when you choose your tag number, you can think carefully and decide in your open time. Now let's go and explain on how to change your tag number here. So in order to change your tag number, you need to go to your user settings, which is here the Glock icon, and you click, and then basically you just click on your username right here. And then after that, you're going to see your username on the left side and your tag numbers on the right side. Now my account has a Nitro subscription, which is why I am able to click here and change my Discord tag. If you don't have a Nitro, this is basically not going to be a clickable box. You can't really type inside here anything. So I can basically remove my current tag and I can have any number up to 4. Now, obviously, I prefer not to change my tag numbers because I prefer to keep my previous ones. And yeah, so you can just change it into whatever you want. And of course, once you change your tag numbers, you need to insert your password to confirm that it is actually you. Now, once you confirm your tag number, you need to go down here and just insert your password once more, and then you click done here and you're done with changing your tag number here. So that was basically an introduction on how to change your tag numbers once you get a Discord Nitro subscription. I hope you enjoyed and learned a thing or two from here, and if you did, then please make sure to leave a like to this video, and of course make sure to join my channel, which I have linked in the description below. That is one place where you can openly talk with me and get some help directly from me. So yeah, that was all for today. Thank you for watching and peace out.